Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Samsung Galaxy A57. First, try turning Bluetooth off and on. Go to Settings, tap Connections, then toggle Bluetooth off and back on, and check if your device appears in the list. If your device isn't showing, try pairing again. You can toggle Bluetooth a few more times and make sure your device, like AirPods, is in pairing mode. If it still doesn't connect, restart both your phone and the Bluetooth device. Turn off pairing mode, then restart your phone using the power menu from the control panel. Next, check for software updates. Go to Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and tap Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it as it may fix Bluetooth issues. After updating or restarting, go back to Bluetooth settings and try pairing your device again. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.